In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a client portal outside of ClickUp 2025. By the end, you'll have a ready-to-use portal structure built from a template, complete with a pipeline, a document hub, and a client-facing form. We'll keep it simple, clear, and efficient. Start by signing in and opening My Workspace in List View. This view makes it easy to see tasks, documents, and forms all in one place as we set things up. Next, open the specific project where you want your client portal to live. Choosing the right project helps keep all client-facing items organized under a single roof. Open the three-dot menu for that project. This menu is where ClickUp hides advanced options and time-saving tools we need. From there, choose Templates. Templates let you stand up a complete portal structure without building everything from scratch, so it's faster and more consistent. Select Browse Templates to open the library. You'll see ready-made setups designed for client communication and workflows. Click the template that fits a client portal use case. Look for one that includes a portal view, a pipeline, and supporting docs, so you have the whole system in one move. Hit Use Template to start applying it to your project. Depending on your workspace, you may see a few import settings. Defaults usually work well for most teams and keep things clean. When prompted, rename the imported folder or list to something clear and client-friendly, like a recognizable project or company label. Clear naming makes it easier for your team to find and maintain. Confirm by clicking Use Template again. Give it a moment to build. ClickUp will add the views, lists, and documents the template includes. When it's done, open the client portal view that appears. This is the central hub your clients will interact with, often structured as a clean, guided interface. Next, open the endorsement pipeline. This is your workflow tracker, typically organized as stages that make progress easy to see at a glance. It keeps your team aligned and helps clients understand where things stand without a lot of back and forth. Then, open the endorsement document. This serves as a reference space for FAQs, scope, or instructions. It's designed to be edited so you can tailor tone and details for your audience. Finally, open the new client endorsement form. This form is the intake point for client submissions. It feeds directly into your pipeline, so requests land exactly where your team works. That's it. You've assembled the core portal framework that's ready to be surfaced outside of ClickUp, giving clients a simple, reliable experience while your team stays organized behind the scenes.